Hello guys, and welcome back to the 5 months maximum hair growth challenge. And today I am back with a new recipe, some recipe that is going to help you thicken your hair and grow your hair faster. So if that is something you are interested in, then make sure you find out how I make this recipe. Also guys, this is the aloe vera month for me. I'm going to be trying tons of aloe vera recipes here on my channel. So if you're an aloe vera fan, make sure that you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post new aloe vera videos. So I'm going to be sharing videos on how you can use aloe vera to treat and solve different hair issues. So for this recipe, I'm going to be needing 2 aloe vera leaves. As you can see, my aloe vera leaves are that tiny, but it's okay. That's all I could have. Then some black castor oil. All I'm going to be basically doing is cleaning the sharp ends of the aloe vera leaf, just trying to open it and get the aloe vera gel from it. Please note, I've already washed and drained my aloe vera, so these are clean aloe vera leaves. I am cutting it into the middle, just trying to get the thickest part of the aloe vera and scoop out the gel from there. As you guys know, aloe vera contains enzymes that help heal and repair cells in the scalp, and also hence add volume to your scalp and treat your hair follicles, strengthen them, and provide room for more growth and thickness. As I already said, this recipe is for thickness and hair growth. As you guys know, aloe vera also helps stimulate dormant hair follicles and encourage them to grow. So if you are facing thinning, you want to try this recipe 2 to 3 times every week, just to help boost and give your hair follicles the strength and the nourishment they need to grow. So that being said, I hope you guys try this out. If you do, please let me know down in the comment section. I'll be happy to know if you've tried this before or if you would like to try it this time around. So guys, as you can see, I'm just scraping out the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaf, and yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch because there's really not much to explain. So when you watch, I'll come back and explain whenever there's some explanation to be done. So I'm just going to forward this and let you guys watch.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony.
So guys, looking at the gel, I felt it was small and it wouldn't be able to coat my entire head and scalp, so I added these 2 little pieces of aloe vera. Actually, I thought it's going to be okay, but it still wasn't okay, as you guys will see later in the video. So if you are really interested in trying this out, make sure you get enough aloe vera gel that you can use on your entire head and coat every single strand with it. For the next recipes, I'll definitely try to get more aloe vera that I'm going to use for the treatments. So the next thing I'm going to do is just show you guys. I noticed the bowl is really clear inside. You guys cannot see the quantity I've harvested. So I'm just going to show you guys. Then I'm going to put in my blender, blend it, come back, and I'm just going to use a cheesecloth to strain the grains out. I was trying to get it focused, but for some reason it refused to focus. Anyways guys, you guys know it is blended aloe vera, so yeah. So with my cheesecloth, I'm just going to wrap it through the pan, just using it to strain the aloe vera so I don't get these chunky pieces of aloe vera stuck in my hair, because if you don't strain your aloe vera, it's going to cause you more harm than good. So you don't want any pieces of aloe vera left in your hair, so make sure you strain this. So I know some of you guys are going to ask me measurements, so I decided to put it in my measuring cup. So as you can see, it's about 1/4 cup of aloe vera. So 1/4 cup of aloe vera wasn't okay for my hair. So if you have more hair than me, or if your hair is longer than mine, make sure you add the quantity. And if you have smaller hair or shorter hair, just reduce it. So actually, I think 1/2 cup of aloe vera juice could have been okay for me. So next time, I'm going to try to use that amount. So here am I. My hair is so dry, guys. So I'm about to wash my hair today. So I'm just using this treatment as a pre-poo. So if you don't know what a pre-poo is, it's a treatment you do before you wash your hair. So this is my pre-poo treatment: aloe vera and castor oil, guys. Castor oil, as you guys know, helps thicken your hair, helps hair growth, nourishes your hair follicles, provide nutrients, and just overall it's an amazing oil for hair growth. It is all I use. It's literally my favorite oil for hair growth. So if you're like me and hair growth is your thing, you love hair growth, then you definitely want to have black castor oil amongst your hair oils. So I'm just going to be applying this to my hair and spreading it evenly all over the place. So you guys know I still have problems with my edges, so I'm just focusing on my edges and trying to really massage that in. I'm just massaging the aloe vera in, trying to get it to touch every strand and every hair. I'm just massaging into my scalp as well, just try to get it in. So since the aloe vera wasn't really enough to coat every single strand, I kind of focused on my roots and on my scalp so I can nourish my hair follicles and stimulate growth, while just trying to get it to as many hair strands as possible.
I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been
After doing that, I'm just going to wrap my hair up into a little bun, wear my plastic bag, and then sit for 2 hours, guys. Yes, you have to sit for 2 hours to give this aloe vera pre-poo treatment time to work in your hair and help just treat and resolve the problems you're actually applying it for.
I will not know what nobody knows.
So guys, it's been 2 hours since I've been having this pre-poo treatment in my hair. I'm just going to take this scarf up and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah guys, you guys can see the line and how my hair and my roots have been absorbing the nutrients from this aloe vera pre-poo treatment. This is actually going to help me grow my hair and thicken my hair out. As you guys know, I used to have a lot of problems with my edges, so whenever I'm doing a helpful treatment, I always saturate my edges just to make sure that they grow and I never go back to where I was some months ago. So guys, I'm just going to wash my hair and come back and show you guys what it looks like. So there we go. I'm just rinsing out the pre-poo treatment from my hair and completing my entire wash day, and I am back to show you guys what my hair looks like. So you can see my hair is bouncy. I didn't really take time to detangle my hair today because I was hairing, but now I'm just going to coat in the water in my hair with my maximum hair growth oil. I already showed you guys how I make this oil here on my channel, so if you're a new subscriber, please make sure you check out the oil so you can start using it, because I'm going to be using this oil for the next 5 months just to see how my hair grows and how thicker and healthier my hair is going to be by the end of that period of time. I'm going to put my hair in a bun, mainly because it's so simple and easy, a very simple low manipulation hairstyle. And once I put it in a bun, I'm only going to take it down for the next treatment, and that's all for the week for me, guys. So yes, that is everything that I do to my hair as pre-poo treatments. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. See you guys in the next video, and hopefully I'm going to see you guys in the comment section as well, where we're going to talk and have a nice chat. So bye.